Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be starting a Noob to Pro series on All-Star Tower Defense, so let's get right into it. Also please join my Discord server, it would be nice, link is in the description. But first let's redeem some codes. If you didn't know, there are codes in this game, and they give extra gems. So you can roll 4 units, it's really useful. For starters, the codes are in description. Okay, now let's roll for some units. This is a great banner, because the 5-star Namek is there, and he is a really good starter character. Hopefully we get something good.
Physicality.
Well, nothing good, but we did get some 4 stars, which is good. Let's collect our daily tasks and let's go to the first story mode. So guys, before I recorded this, I recorded me beating the first and second story mode map of Namek, but when I went to get the clip into my editor, the file corrupted. Sorry about that, but now we have new units, so let's beat the third part of Namek. Okay, let's place a starter unit to defend, so we can get more money for more units.
What is that?
What? Why is his range so bad? Oof, I guess I will sell him, and place Sasuke down. I will time lapse this cause I don't think you guys want to see this. go. We cleared part 3 of Namek. Let's claim our quest and return to the lobby. Well, that's it for today. Make sure to like and sub, and I will see you in the next one.